they for the ball in their town, there are bakers so many. There are like hundreds and hundreds of eggs they have to do. So they got old toothbrushes and recycle. Well, this is awesome. I really engineered and designed it, so I'm selling things now. That's right.
You should.
I plan to show this.
Excellent. Yeah.
Because they made a big prototype because it took so long.
I think for the poultry, the people who.
But the bakers in Indonesia, how many eggs a day do they use? A lot of eggs, right? How many eggs did you mention?
So is this for the bakers or for the farmers?
Farmers can.
Can and bakers can before they use them, right? That's awesome.
Whose idea was this?
But first our discussion.
I just think this is great.
Yeah, I like this one.
Oh, and the Hill Foundation. I just met the person who.
Arif?
From Indonesia as well, right next door. So we're going to ask them to and learn about that project for a little bit. Hello, สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดี
Hello. So please introduce yourself and also your project as well.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Wijinusantara and this is my partner Napan Wanasaba from Senior High School 7 Malang, East Java, Indonesia. So our project is Flazy Egg Washer. To do this project, we need to use engineering design process. That is the first step is asking for the problem. So the problem that applying our product is the number of eggs to be washed in is very large, and then the long time to washing the eggs. A few employees, 5%, and the fourth is order received are numerous. Because we also talked about the environments, so we have one more fundamental problems, that is the problem of plastics. Next. After we know the problems, we start to collect the data that related to our machine, and we also observe how to clean the eggs manually, so that we found 3 conditions that must apply in our machine. The first condition is the rotating object, and then spraying water, and the third is have to minimizing the scratches on the eggs. And then we discuss about the rotating object, and we got 2 alternative solution. The first is using second-hand washing machine, and the second solution is using second-hand fan. And after we discussed, we decided to use second-hand washing machine in the first solution. After that, we also discussed about the spraying water, and we decided to use a hose with a small pores, and also the parallel pipe with 7.5 centimeter of diameter. And the last, we discussed about minimizing the scratches from the eggs. We did some experiments from 3 tools, and as a result, we choose toothbrush to clean our eggs. After we can imagine the product that will be created, we start to designing by sketching. After we finish our design, we start to collecting all of the materials that need to create our Flazy Egg Washer. To make sure that our Flazy Egg Washer is excellent, we trying it out, and we found 3 failures. The first failure is not all the eggs are rotated, and then our machine still have a leak, and then the last is not all many eggs were broken. So that we start to think for redesign by replace the parallel pipe from 7.5 centimeter diameter into 10 centimeter diameter. And then we also patched all of the leak in our machine, and also we smoothen the rotating layers so to prevent broken eggs. So we brought you Flazy Egg Washer that can reduce time of washing egg and reduce the wasting plastic in the world. For the STEM, we applied science for the hygiene of food processing and a friction force, and for technology, we applied to suitable basic model, and engineering, we applied knowledge of designing, and the last in mathematics, we applied to decide the parallel that's suitable to washing eggs. And we started to think how to scale it up. And we have 4 ways to scale up. The first is we will participate in all exhibition, and then we will cooperate with manufacturing companies, and we also collaborate with Shari banks, and we will produce a big mass manually. So let me show you how it works.
So first, this is the model of lazy egg washer, and this is not the true machine. This is the true machine because it's too big. We can look at this model. First, plug in the electricity, and the pump is on, and it spray water in the machine, and we can put our dirt eggs to this machine and then turn on the timer, so it will start works. That's all for us. I am Naparona Sabah.
And I'm Ahmad Wiji from Indonesia.
Thank you very much.
Thank
ขอบคุ
you
ณ
so
ครับ
much. Thank you.
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ Another team from Indonesia. This model actually looks like the washer at home. It looks very familiar to me. Is that where the idea come from? But you just apply it to be used for like watching eggs? Oh, and is that because your school is close to like the egg farm or something?
Actually, my mother have a business about a bakery, so she needs more than 400 eggs every batch of production, and it's need a long time to washing that eggs.
See, so actually they're helping your mom's business. Oh, interesting. So this can be used for real as well to help your mom making a better bakery products. That's very interesting. Thank you so much for sharing your ideas.